So I thought I'd give you a look at what's going on outside today. Here's what the smoke looks like here. It started to lift a little bit. Before I couldn't even see the post office back here. It smells bad. It smells really bad. There's blue sky above all this smoke. The whole province is burning right now. The Arctic is burning right now. South America is burning. The United States is burning. Greece is burning. All we can smell and taste is smoke right now. There's nothing. There's going to be nothing left. Pray for the people of this world. Our planet is dying. Don't be so selfish with your petty little shit. Do something to help your neighbors and their children so there's something left for them. Don't be so fucking petty.